I'm going to show you how to make easy homemade chocolate chip cookies. I'll be uploading another chocolate chip cookie recipe later, but for now I'm going to show you an easy recipe. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large mixing bowl, add the butter and melt it in the microwave. Then add in the brown sugar and the white granulated sugar and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the room temperature egg and egg yolk. In the perfect chocolate cake video, I showed an easy way to separate an egg. To quickly bring it to room temperature, place it into some lukewarm water for about 5 minutes. And add in the vanilla extract and mix it together until combined. Set the wet ingredients aside, and in a separate medium bowl, add in the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt, and whisk the dry ingredients until combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix them together until they're almost combined. Then add in the chocolate chips and mix it until it's fully combined. This is quite a soft cookie dough. You can refrigerate it if you want, but it won't make a difference with them spreading in the oven. Scoop the batter onto cookie sheets. I like to use an ice cream scoop to do it. Then place them into the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool on the pan for about 5 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely.